Finding the background music in Delta Force distracting or prefer only to hear the action? Learn how to easily disable in-game music and customize your audio experience. Disabling background music in Delta Force is a common preference for players who want to focus on in-game sounds, like footsteps and gunshots, or who simply prefer to listen to their own music. This setting is typically found in the game's audio or sound options. So, from the in-game menu, first go to Settings. Then, go to the Audio tab. Look for the slider labeled Music Volume under the Individual Volume tab. You can opt to either completely mute the background music by clicking on the small speaker icon next to the slider bar, or alternatively, you can choose to turn the volume down if that's what you're looking for. Once you're done, press ESC on your keyboard to go back. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!